Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Sweet and Savory Kitchen. Today's recipe is a burger wrap. So I have my burger patty, whichever toppings you like. So I have cheese, some pickles, mayonnaise, hot peppers, and some relish. To begin, I'm going to spread the mayonnaise all over the wrap. So it all depends on you how much you would like. Just a generous amount. And then I have here some jalapeno lime sauce. Some generous amount. And some ketchup. So now I'm going to cut it the halfway point, just like that. And we're going to place the pickles on one side, like this, patty on this side, some hot peppers, or we can do it here. And a relish. You can even spread it over. And last is the cheese on this side. Good amount of cheese. And what we're going to do is carefully pick up the side and fold over. And then we're going to carefully fold it again, like that. And one more time, just like that. And now we're going to place it on top of the grill. You can use a grill pan like this one, or you can use a frying pan as well if you like, if you don't have this. Now what I'm going to do is place our wrap burger carefully over the grill. Just like that, and we're going to let it cook for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. So after a few minutes, we're going to flip it over carefully. The cheese is melted. It looks so delicious and smells really good. We're gonna do the same for a few minutes on the other side and it'll be ready. Look at the grill marks. It looks so good. And the cheese is melted. Look at this. This is the most delicious burger wrap. Now we're gonna cut it and let's see how it looks inside. It is crispy. Oh my goodness, look at that. A little bit more. Look at this, cheesy and delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye.